Welcome to 99minds, the platform to manage omnichannel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a referral-type coupon rule on 99minds. Make sure you're logged in and starting from the dashboard. Here's where we begin. On the left side, locate the coupon section. See it? Let's click on Coupons. Now we're at the Coupon Rules section. I've already set up a referral coupon rule before, but let's start fresh. Click on Create Coupon Rule. You'll see a form to fill out. For this example, we'll type in Referral Coupon for Friend. Next, assign a label of your choice. Choose your currency, for instance, United States dollar. The platform we're using is Shopify. For the coupon rule type, select Referral. You'll notice options like Standard and Dynamic, but we're sticking with Referral. Moving on, select the coupon type as Fixed Value and set it to 25. You can choose a combination of letters and numbers for the character setting. Let's set the expiration to 1 year. Once you've entered all the details, click on Save, and that's how you create a referral coupon rule in 99minds. It's set up with a title, Referral, currency as USD, and type as Referral. You can also manually create coupons on 99minds by opting to create a bulk coupon. Once created, you'll find them listed under the All Coupons section. Here's the coupon we just created for the referral coupon. This can be issued to any customer and integrated into your workflows. Thank you for watching.